So the next one we're going to do is the CAD yen, and as you can see from last week, the buy was 89.52, which was the structure long point, and it was our stop, and it took us to 90.46. So that's a pretty 100 pip move on the trade from last week. So if my structure long point was 89.52, this will become my structure short point. So my structure short point is going to be that's as easy as it gets, where my structure short point is going to be 89.52, because now they're going to reverse roles. And let me see now where my entry point, and let's look at the chart of the CAD. This is magnificent. There is the structure point. This is where we're breaking above the structure. So now that is the big trend, the large trend changing its bias, changing to the upside. That is, look at the weekly chart. There, as you can see, there is one structure point. That's the second structure point, and we have just sliced through it with butter. So the next level that this thing should be going to is pretty much this, and that is just a reference point. It's a significant point. It's not anything. It's 94.48. Okay, and we have a structure point here, which is the 95.68. So those two zones will create a barrier, a thick barrier. As you can see, they're pretty close to each other, so they're going to create a barrier. But at least we're going up to the 94.48. So my structure long point is 94.48, and now where will I buy this? We can buy it above 90.80, and if I buy it right there, I'll place my stop right here, right below this is 90.35, so I'm buying it at 90.80, and my stop is going to be 90, let's say 25, and my structure long point is right there. On the short side, I can go short below 90.20, which is this low, and my structure short point is the 89.52, and if I go short 80.20, my stop is going to be 90.62, which is the market side. I'm using the market side as my stop. Okay, so I'm going to go long above 90.80. If I do, I have a structural long point at 94.48, and my stop is going to be 90.25, so I'm risking about 55 pips on this move. And on the short side, I'm going to go short below 90.20, and my structure short point is 89.52, and my stop is going to be 90.60. Okay, that is the Aussie yen. So let me save that. Anybody has